Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and we still have winter storm warnings that are in place for Curry County, Josephine County, western Siskiyou County, eastern Siskiyou County, that little south central slice of Siskiyou County as well. These run until 10 in the morning on Wednesday, and they are for elevations above 1,500 feet. And then we have these winter weather advisories in place for eastern Curry County and Josephine County and central Siskiyou County and western Siskiyou County. That would be for elevations below 1,500 feet. And then for Jackson County, this winter weather advisory is in place for elevations above 1,500 feet. And for these, the time frame would be from 4 p.m. today to 10 in the morning on Wednesday. So here's a look at where things stand right now. The satellite and radar picture. You can see a lot of heavy snow in our coastal mountain ranges starting to get into Josephine County. This is likely putting down a nice little coating of snow on US 199 for Cave Junction. It's likely just rain for the time being for Grants Pass. Now that could change a little bit later this evening. So we'll put all this into motion with Stormcast, and by the time we get to your evening commute, it's going to look very rough on US 199. Also maybe even some portions of Interstate 5, especially from Grants Pass up to Roseburg. So please keep that in mind if you're going to be in that portion of the world anywhere between 4 to 6 p.m. But honestly, even after that, because we have more snow that is on tap. So right around midnight, you can see all of us have the opportunity for some snow in those relevant elevations. And then for Wednesday in the morning, maybe a few less snow showers. And you'll notice a trend for Wednesday is that coverage is a little bit less as opposed to Tuesday. We'll still have snow showers coming and going. Looks like there's going to be a little bit of a lull in the action during the evening and into the overnight hours, but then we have another storm system to deal with for Thursday and Friday. That one is going to be an atmospheric river. More on that in a little bit. But first, through Wednesday night, here are some of these water projections, and the coast is easily going to be the winner, upwards of 1.5 inches, but we could have upwards of 1 inch for the Mount Shasta City area, also for the mountains and Grants Pass and the Illinois Valley, getting a decent amount of water. But for Medford, for the Shasta Valley, for the east side, doesn't look like we're going to have a whole lot. Snow levels staying pretty low today, right around 2,000 feet, but then dropping back down to around 1,000 feet this evening. So that means that the Rogue Valley could see that transition back to snow. Here's some of these projected snowfall totals through Wednesday night. And it's going to be Curry County, Josephine County, and south central Siskiyou County. Those are the areas we're most concerned about, especially for those passes in Josephine County, Hayes Hill, Sexton Summit, anywhere between 8 to 12 inches of snow there. And then for Snowman Summit in south central Siskiyou County, we could have upwards of 2 feet of snow. So if you're going to travel on any of those passes, have those snow chains ready to go. So for today, snow showers increasing. Again, snow levels right around 2,000 feet. It's going to be cold today. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s. The breezes will make it feel a little bit colder than it actually is. And then overnight, still cold. Coverage of snow will increase. Winds will back off. And then we have more high impact weather into Thursday with that atmospheric river that's going to provide snow for Thursday, but snow levels raising up into Friday. So there's going to be a transition to rain, but the million-dollar question right now is how fast do those snow levels come up, because that's going to determine how much snow we actually end up getting. Here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. We could see a transition to snow overnight into Wednesday morning. Can't rule out maybe upwards of 1 inch along the coast in Brookings, but anything more than that, I would be very surprised at. Then for Siskiyou County, it's just going to be snow through Thursday. Snow levels coming up on Friday. And again, we just don't know how fast the snow levels are going to come up. But for right now, it's looking like it's mainly just going to be rain on Friday for Siskiyou County, for the basin, maybe even for the foothills as well. And snow levels will stay pretty elevated after that. So that means for the Rogue Valley, our best crack at snow is going to be on Tuesday and Wednesday, but then it's likely just going to be rain starting on Thursday and going beyond.
Obviously, weather is very unpredictable. You try to forecast the best that you can. Never going to get it perfect. Mother Nature does what she wants. But if you're looking at the rest of our week, what morning and what day specifically should people really be kind of getting in the mindset for right now? Hard question.
Two-part answer. Okay. Overnight into tomorrow morning, I think for Josephine County, that's probably going to be the main area of concern. But also for Blackview Pass, Snowman Summit, they're going to look pretty rough. And then Thursday night into Friday morning, depending on how fast the snow levels come up, I think we could see another maybe foot, 2 feet of snow for some of those passes in south central Siskiyou County. So a couple different areas, a couple different time frames, and a couple different answers to your question.
Okay, so just everybody be careful.
Yeah.
Everybody use caution.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Josh.
Of course.